Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Walmart Plus membership. Okay, so here I am on the Walmart app. At the very bottom right, you'll see a section that says account. So click on account. Okay, from here you're going to scroll on down until you see a section that says subscription and plans. So click on subscription and plans. And under the subscription and plan section, you should see a section that says Walmart Plus. So click on Walmart Plus. Okay, from here on the very top right, you'll see that cog icon. So click on that cog icon. Okay, from this screen, scroll down all the way to the very bottom. And there in that bottom section, you'll see cancel membership or pause membership. So I'm going to click on cancel membership. And it's just going to try to convince you to keep your Walmart Plus. But as you can see there at the bottom, you can click on confirm cancellation. So I'm going to do that. And you could give feedback. Maybe I'm just going to say membership was too expensive, and then submit feedback. And then you successfully canceled your Walmart Plus membership, and there it will tell you that you canceled on whatever date, and you can still use Walmart Plus until whatever date. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching.